Being ignored by women can be painful. You could begin to feel worthless, unimportant, or unlovable when women ignore you, particularly if they do it openly in front of someone you care about. Remember that even though rejection or oblivion may leave you heartbroken, it may not necessarily be your fault. To make a woman stop ignoring you, keep watching till the end to understand and figure out what you can do about it. The question is, why a woman ignoring you? A woman's lack of interest in a guy might indicate a number of things, including the clear fact that she is uninterested in you. However, there can be more unrelated factors, such as a busy job schedule. She may also remain silent if you ask for too much, too soon, or if you send her conflicting messages and leave her perplexed and unsure of how to reply. What can you do if women ignore you? Respect her space. Respecting her space is crucial. If she's busy or not in the mood to talk, give her some time. Patience is key here. You don't want to come off as pushy or needy. Understand that everyone needs personal space and time for themselves. If she's having a bad day, offer support, but don't insist if she prefers to be alone. Also, respect her social boundaries. If she's not comfortable with certain topics, avoid them. If she doesn't reply immediately, don't bombard her with messages. Show her that you respect her time and personal boundaries. Showing your value. Show her your value. This doesn't mean bragging about your achievements. Instead, let your actions speak for you. Be kind, be supportive, and show her that you're someone she can rely on. Help her when she needs it. Whether it's a small favor or emotional support during tough times, show her that you're there for her. This will not only show your value, but also build trust. Also, show her your passion. Whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause you care about, passion is attractive. It shows that you're driven and have goals in life. But remember, while showing your value, stay humble and genuine. No one likes a show-off. Give another girl attention. Even more effectively attracting her attention is this. A female may choose to ignore you simply because she is aware that you won't leave. So you'll keep showering her with all your love. Her mood is improved by it. She will get quite envious if you pause and look elsewhere. She'll notice you once she sees you pursuing another female, and she could even come up to you. The greatest difference will be whether she notices you flirting. Act normal. What should you say to her when you see her in person, now that she is avoiding you? Do you turn a blind eye to her protests or act hostilely against her? No. Instead, be cordial and amiable. Act as if you're still interested in her and want to learn more about her. You want to seem worried about her without coming across as needy and clinging. Prove to her that you have a life and are not reliant on her for happiness. Improving your approach. Improving your approach is all about effective communication. Start by showing genuine interest in her life. Ask about her day, her interests, and her dreams. Listen to her responses attentively. Show empathy and understanding. Remember, it's not just about talking, but also about active listening. Try to find common interests. Shared hobbies or passions can create a strong bond and give you plenty to talk about. If she's into art, invite her to an exhibition. If she loves nature, suggest a hike or a picnic. This shows that you're attentive and willing to invest time in activities she enjoys. Also, humor is a great icebreaker. If you can make her laugh, you're already one step ahead. But remember, The humor should be light and respectful. Avoid offensive or inappropriate jokes. Apologize if you're in the wrong. If you've done anything to annoy or injure the other person, own up to your mistake. Put your ego aside so you may own your errors and provide a heartfelt apology. Restoring your connection may be greatly aided by validating their sentiments. It's critical to act and address the issue if you feel ignored, whether mistakenly or on purpose. However, do it with emotional consideration. When you're injured, it might be simple to start attacking. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe InspireRipple for more amazing content.